bossing up. Can't see you keep up. Bossing the market, sparking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, as y'all can see, we're doing a POV drive for this video, and also we're trying to see if we see any nice looking cars on the road, man. But first and foremost, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all watch the full video, man. So for this, I got something in mind that I'm gonna do to the 535 with the steering wheel. So the plans I got for the steering wheel, I'm gonna get a new one, but I'm gonna get the one that comes in the M Sport. It's like a OEM Plus look. If you get what I'm trying to say, it's like a OEM Plus look, but it got the paddle shift and the different airbag. So it's gonna look way different, and I think y'all gonna like it, man. So now I could do like the POV way better and have way better control over the car too. And y'all gonna hear the downshifts and the revs way more aggressive too. And also I want to get XHP transmission flash on the car. I think that's probably a 528 or something, or 530. That was just like a little pull, but this car sounds good, man. Damn, that opened up sounds so damn good. hip-hop sound damn aggressive, man. I know y'all boys must love this damn 535, man. This the artist looking 535 on YouTube. And the best sounding one too. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys agree. And if you guys want to see more action videos or more POV videos. Okay guys, so I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and peace. I'll catch you in the next one, guys.